Welcome to DisplayBly.com. Today we are going to introduce an assembly process of COB LCD module for industrial control equipment. First, put the pins of the sockets into the holes of the PCB and solder them with tin. Second, remove the release paper of the double-sided tape from the LED backlight. Put the hard pins into the holes of the PCB and solder them with tin. Third, remove the protection film from the LCD panel and attach it to the surface of the metal frame. Fourth, put two conductive rubber strips onto two long edges of the back of the metal frame. Fifth, remove the protection film from the bottom of the LCD screen and blow the dust off with air gun. Remove the protection film from the top of the LED backlight and blow the dust off with air gun, and assemble them together by hand. Sixth, test if it is working properly before fixating the metal frame. Seventh, quality test and visual inspection. Eighth, labeling and packing.
Thank you for watching, and contact us if you have any questions.